Welcome to the tutorial on installing the green power module in the CAME ZM3E control panel for 230-volt swing gate motors. The material to be installed is composed of the green power module and the connection cables. First, turn off the power to the automation. Disconnect the transformer cable and connect it into the green power module in the position indicated. Using the cable provided, connect the card to the module in the position indicated. Place the module at the bottom of the control panel. Using the STB cable provided, connect the electronic board to the green power module. Using the arrow keys and enter, access the menu, select the functions menu, and finally enable sleep mode. If the sleep mode parameter is not present, you need to update the board to the latest firmware version. Use the CAME key and the Setup app to update. The automation with the green power installed goes into low consumption as soon as you exit the menu. For more information, please visit the technical documentation website at docs.came.com. We hope we have been helpful, and thank you for choosing CAME for your automatic gate.